Mathematical Association of Nepal revised question format of province level mathematical Olympiad PMO in the year 2025. There are 35 multiple choice questions. Each question has mark 1 and here are 5 numerical answer questions. Each question has mark 3 and total marks of numerical answer problem 15 and total marks of multiple choice question is 35. In this way, total marks of this exam is 50 and time is 2 hours. Practice set or sample question is as follows. PMO practice sample problems 35 multiple choice and 5 numerical answer problem. Note the problems here just provide structure and an overview of the syllabus and do not reflect the actual difficulty. Multiple choice question 35 question. For each problem, choose the best answer from option A to D. Question number 1. Number theory. Find the number of order pair of integers AB satisfying A square plus AB plus B square equal to 133. Option A 24, B 16, C 20, D 18. Question number 2. Algebra. Find the sum of the solution of root over 2x plus 9 minus root over x plus 1 equal to 2. A 0, B 4, C 8, D 10. Question number 3. Combinatoric. How many solutions in non-negative integers are there to x plus y plus z equal to 20? A 210, B 220, C 231, D 240. Question number 4. Function. If fx equal to root over 3x plus 4 and gx equal to x square minus 2, compute f a function of g2. A root over 8, B root over 10, C root over 12, D root over 14. Question number 5. Number theory. Determine the remainder when 3 power 2004 plus 4 power 2004 is divided by 7. A 0, B 1, C 2, D 3. Question number 6. Geometry. Chord intersection. In a circle, the chord AB has length 8 and is divided by the intersection point P in the ratio AP is to BP equal 1 is to 3. If another chord through P has one segment of length 2, then by the chord theorem, the other segment equals AP into BP upon 2. That is the length of the other segment A 4, B 5, C 6, D 7. Question number 7. Geometry angle bisector. In triangle ABC, the angle bisector of angle A meets BC at D. If AB equal to 8, AC equal to 6, BD is to DC equal to 4 is to 3, then the length of AD is A 3 root 2, B 5, C 6, D 2 root over 10. Question number 8. Algebra identities. If x plus 1 upon x equal to 6, then x cube plus 1 upon x cube equal to what? A 192, B 194, C 196, D 198. Question number 9. Algebra optimization. If x y greater than 0 and x plus y equal to 10, find the maximum value of xy into x square plus y square. A 1200, B 1250, C 1300, D 1350. Question number 10. Combinatories. How many solutions in positive integers are there to x plus y plus z equal to 20? A 153, B 161, C 171, D 181. Question number 11. Number theory. If n is a positive integer such that n square has exactly 5 positive divisors, then the number of divisors of n is A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. Question number 12. Logarithm. Solve for x in log base 2 x minus 1 plus log x minus 3 base 2 equal to 3. A minus 1, B 1, C 3, D 5. Question number 13. Geometry circle chords. A chord in a circle of radius r has length r. The central angle subtended by this chord in radians is A pi by 6, B pi by 4, C pi by 3, D pi by 2. Question number 14. The number theory congruences. Find the smallest positive integer n satisfying n is congruent to 2 mod 5 and n is congruent to 3 mod 7. A 12, B 17, C 22, D 27. Question number 15. Algebra powers. If x plus 1 upon x equal to 6, then x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4 equal to what? A 1150, B 1152, C 1154, D 1156. Question number 16. Combinatories. How many ways are there to choose three numbers from 1, 2, 30, so that no two chosen numbers are consecutive? A 4060, B 3276, C 2925, D 3590. Question number 17. Geometry tangents. From a point P outside a circle, two tangents are drawn which each have length 7. If the distance from P to the center is 10, then the radius of the circle is A root over 50, B root over 51, C root over 52, D 7. Question number 18. Number theory. Find the number of positive divisors of 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 into 5 into 7. A 42, B 44, C 46, D 48. Question number 19. Algebra system. If x, y greater than 0 satisfy x plus 1 upon y equal to 5 and y plus 1 upon x equal to 4, then xy equals A 9 minus 4 root over 5, B 5 plus 4 root over 6, C 10, D 8. Question number 20. Algebra difference equation of polynomial px satisfies px plus 1 minus px equal to 6x plus 4 with p0 equal to 3. Find p5. A 81, B 82, C 83, D 84. Question number 21. Combinatories. How many 6 letters arrangements of the letters A, B, C, D, E, F have the property that no two vowels with vowels taken to be A and E are adjacent? A 360, B 420, C 480, D 540. Question number 22. Number theory. Frobenius. Find the largest positive integer that cannot be written in the form 6a plus 9b plus 20c, where a, b, c are non-negative integer. A 43, B 44, C 45, D 46. Question number 23. Geometry medians. In a triangle, the medians have lengths 5, 6 and 7. The area of triangle is A 6 root over 6, B 7 root over 6, C 8 root over 6, D 9 root over 6. Question number 24. Sequences. A sequence an satisfies an plus 2 equal to 3an plus 1 minus 2 into an, where a1 equal to 2 and a2 equal to 5. Find a5. A 45, B 46, C 47, D 48. Question number 25. Algebra parameter identification. Find the sum of all real number k for which the quadratic x square minus k minus 2 into x plus k equal to 0 has double repeated root. A 6, B 7, C 8, D 9. Question number 26. Number theory. Divisor sum. Find which of the following could equal to n if the sum of the positive divisors of n is 36. A 16, B 18, C 20, D 22. Question number 27. Exponents and logarithm. Find the value of 3 power log base log 27 base 9. A 3, B 3 under 3, C 9, D 9 under 3. Question number 28. Sequences. Define the sequence an by an a1 equal to 1, an plus 1 equal to an plus 1 upon an equal to 1. Which of the following is closest to a base 10? A 4.3, B 4.6, C 4.9, D 5.2. Question number 29. Geometry in circle. A triangle has semi-perimeter 18 and an incircle of radius for its area is A 60, B 64, C 68, D 72. Question number 30. Combinatories. How many distinct arrangements are there of the letters in the word statistics? A 50,400, B 5,040, C 3,62,880, D 40,320. Question number 31. Algebra. If x and y are real numbers with x square plus xy plus y square equal to 49 and xy equal to 16, then x plus y equal a root over 60, b root over 61, c root over 69, d root over 65. Question number 32. Number theory. Determine the number of integer solution to x square minus y square equal to 60. A 2, b 4, c 6, d 8. Question number 33. Algebra absolute value. Solve for all real x. Modulus of 2x minus 3 equal to root over x plus 1 plus 1. The answer is the sum of the two solutions. A 16 upon 3, B 17 upon 3, C 5, D 14 upon 3. Question number 34. Geometry. A chord of a circle has length 10 and lies at a distance 4 from the center. The radius of the circle is A root over 36, B root over 37, C root over 38, D root over 41. Question number 35. Complex number. If a complex number z satisfies z plus 1 upon z equal to 2 cos theta, then by De Moivre's theorem, z power n plus 1 upon z power n equal to 2 cos n theta. For theta equal to pi by 7 and n equal to 3, the value of z cube plus 1 upon z cube is A 2 into cos 3 pi upon 7, B 2 into cos pi upon 7, C 2 into cos 2 pi upon 7, D 2 into cos 4 pi upon 7. Numerical answer question. Numerical answer question. 5 question. For each problem give a numerical answer. Enter your answer as an integer or in simplest form. 1. Polynomial. Let Px be the unique polynomial of degree 4 satisfying Pk equal to 2 को power k for k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Find P5. 2. Number theory. Find the last 3 digits of 7 power 222. Question number 3. Combinatorics. Find the number of solution in the non-negative integer 2 a plus b plus c plus d equal to 20 such that a get equal to and b get equal a. Note, I have modified this problem from the video to represent a bit more difficult set of problems. Question number 4. Geometry. A circle and a square have equal perimeters. If the area of the square is 64, find the area of the circle in simplest form. Question number 5. Telescoping sums. Compute summation of n equal to 1 to 20 1 upon n into n plus 2. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू 2081 साल फागुन 3 गते हुने इक्जाम प्रोभिन्स म्याथमेटिकल ओलम्पियाडको इक्जामको लागि यी प्रश्नहरू हेर्नुहोला र यी प्रश्नहरूको प्र्याक्टिस गरी यस्तै प्रश्नहरू इक्जाममा आउनेछन् त्यही अनुसार तयारी गरेर जानुहोला र इक्जाम राम्रो गरी नेसनल लेभलमा सेलेक्ट भई नेसनलबाट पनि इन्टरनेसनलमा सेलेक्ट भई जानुहोला। म्याथमेटिकल ओलम्पियाड सम्बन्धीका सम्पूर्ण प्रश्नपत्रहरू, सिलेबस, पुराना प्रश्नहरू, स्याम्पल क्वेसनहरू र एन्सर कीहरू सम्पूर्ण हेर्नु परेमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M को प्लेलिस्ट क्लास 11-12 मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपर, त्यस्तै गरी क्लास 10 एन्ड एसई क्वेसन पेपर, एसई लेभल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला, प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुहोला र इक्जाम राम्रोसँग दिनुहोला। भिडियो मन परे लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला। धन्यवाद।